I request you all to answer the question with some calculation. Abhishek, what is x? You have written x is equal to 8. Sorry for the audio, guys. I think there is some problem. Let me fix it. Dev brother, how are you? Welcome back. Open ICT, are you there? Kevin McCoy says I got 14. If you can please write what is the value of the red triangle, what is the value of blue square and yellow circle, then it will be easy for other people to understand the way you have got the answer. R means red. Yes, R red, B for blue and Y for yellow. R is equal to 8. 8 comes out how 5 plus 10, 15. 15 minus 7, 8. So, yes, it's 8. Abhishek, you have not written the values, so I can't tell you that whether your answer is correct or not. Please wait 1 or 2 minutes. I am posting another question here. Please let other people solve this. Mo voice says 14. Look, if you people could write the value of triangle, red triangle, the value of blue square and yellow circle, then it will be easy to calculate. Abhishek, please wait, brother. You seem to be in a hurry. Mo, where you from? Abhishek, are you Indian or from Sri Lanka? Okay. So, in which class do you study, Abhishek? Math, you are doing masters in mathematics. I can't pronounce the name. I think maybe it's a Russian name starting with M, saying 14. Okay, Abhishek. So this this question is very simple for you. You need some very hard mathematical questions. Dev says C is equal to 2. C means circle. T for triangle 8, or Abhishek, if you are in such a hurry, man, you can go to my channel. There are many videos in which so many questions there. Please let other people come here and answer the question. You are not the only one here. Please try to understand. Don't spam the messages here. I will definitely put the questions here, but in a minute or two. Be patient. Abhishek, in today morning, I put up a difficult question. If you can find the latest live video on my channel, then you can try, man. It will take some time for you to solve it. Or if you say I put the question here for a minute or two for only you, then I will change that question. You try that one and send the answer here. What you say? Abhishek, this question is for you only, man. You pause this live and try to solve it on paper and then tell in the comment section your answer. In the meantime, I am switching to my previous question for other people. Abhishek, if you are there, this question is for you, man. This you try it by pausing the video. I am returning to previous question, then you solve it, then please write the answer in the comment section. This question is for everyone, including Abhishek and Dev and Moo and Kevin McCoy, Janagan, everybody. Abhishek, please solve the previous question. Yes, your answer is correct. You are MA in mathematics. This is nothing for you, boy. But please try the previous question in this video, which I have put only for you. Yes, you are right, man. The cube rule in the opposite side. That's the pattern in this question. And Abhishek, stay tuned. In this video I have some more other questions for people like you, for people like professional mathematicians like you. Takukat, welcome back, brother. Ayush Gupta saying answer is 30. 3 is for triangle, triangle, triangle. And circle, circle is 4. Okay. Triangle 3, circle 4. Then what about the square? What is the value of square? Square is 6, 12, 60. Okay. Then Ayush Gupta, answer is 72. How how it is 72, man? If you please write the value of blue triangle, then green circle, then I think orange square, then we can calculate the value of the last equation. I request you all who are watching this, try to solve this question. This is not a tough one. Stay tuned till the end. I am putting the harder question. If you have come here, just try to learn something and then leave. 3 Ayush Gupta saying 3 for triangle, okay, 4 for circle, yes, it's correct, and 6 for square, that it's correct. Now you have all 3 values. 6 plus 6 multiplied by 4. Ayush Gupta, I think you have welcome, Mr. Ronak. Ayush Gupta is committing the error which is called transposition error. If you look at answer, Ayush, you have written 72. Abhishek, you have written 6. So if you are trying to solve this puzzle, then I think the answer is not 6. Mo Morning says 27. I think 27 is correct answer, but Ayush saying it's 72. So, and Abhishek saying 6. So there are 3 different answers in the question. Now we have to decide which one is correct. So everyone answering the question, you are requested to write the value of a single triangle, a single circle, and a single square. Taco Cat, what are you doing, man? If you have something in your mind, you can write here. What's very true? Abhishek, you are trying to solve this puzzle, man, or some other puzzle? I don't understand. Look, this will create mess for me and everyone else here because more and more people are coming to this live. So minority says 27. Minority, how are you? Where from you? Ronak has some good. Ronak, good. Ayush Gupta saying 18. No, there is a fourth answer of this question. So we have to decide which one is correct. Minority, which country do you live in, brother? Ronak, don't you have confidence in your answer? You are becoming a chartered accountant. You have some confidence in your answer. Look in your examination. You cannot tell the examiner, sir, my answer is correct or not. You have to have confidence in yourself. Ayush Gupta, answer is 27, sir. I am wrong. Now you have come to the correct answer, Gupta. You was calculating right, but I think you have written 72 instead of 27. It is called the transposition error when we exchange the digits. Yes. In India, it is called BODMAS rule. In American system or in the countries where American system is followed, it is called PEMDAS. TacoCat says, I have a question. Yes, you can ask here. Sudha Narayanan, welcome Sudha again. You saying 17 and I think 17 is not correct. 17 just find Sudha, just find out the value of triangle first, then the value of the green circle, then the value of orange square. Taco Cat saying, why do people in some countries add and subtract first instead of multiply? I think this they don't know the sequence of the operations in mathematics. There is no reason in doing subtraction first or addition first. The rule is that you have to perform, if we talk about the four operations only, multiplication, division, subtraction and addition, you have to got to perform first the division or multiplication starting from the left of the equation, then it comes to addition or subtraction. If you have the parentheses, then the parentheses has the priority. If you have the exponential, then the parentheses, then the exponential, and the thing goes on. Anybody doing addition or subtraction first, in my opinion, he or she does not know the PEMDAS or BODMAS. I have put up a tough question in this live session just a minute ago. If any one of you has not seen that question, then go back, pause the video and try to solve it on paper. It will take to solve, I think, maybe 25 to 30 minutes. Yes, Ronak, it may be a reason. They are unaware of BODMAS and they hate math. Most of people don't love mathematics. Okay, Ronak, see you. Bye bye. See you tomorrow. Sudha is working hard. Sudha, it is not, I think 42 is also not a correct answer. Nicola Lancia says 23. Nicola, first tell me, where do you live and what do you do? And Taco Cat is saying almost Nicola. Yes, Nicola is very close to the correct answer. Yes. Taco Cat, where do you live, brother? You have not told us. Nicola, trying to solve, take your time. You have at least 1 minute or so. I am here at least 2 hours. I normally do these live sessions 2 or 2.5 hours, at least once or two in a day. So you have much time. You take your time, solve this on the paper, and tell us what is the value of the triangle, the circle, and the square. We have very genius people here watching this transmission and not answering the question. Maybe they are trying on the paper. I suppose that these people, we have 32 watching now. I suppose that all of them are trying to solve this question because this is a very serious live session. This is not the entertainment. So people don't come here for entertainment. They come here for actually learning something. So if any one of you trying this question on the paper, you can tell us so we can wait for you. Or should we move to our next question? I have picked up these questions very carefully. The easy ones maximum take 1 minute to solve, not more than 1 minute. If you are extra genius, you can solve these within a minute. Yes, Taco Cat, this is not the entertainment live session, this is for learning. You have to go. Can you tell us which country do you live, Taco Cat? Fawaz Habib saying 15. Fawaz, first tell brother which country do you live in and what do you do? Are you a student or doing a job? Sudha Narayanan comes up with 13. Sudha, it's not 13 again. Try to solve it. Look, Sudha, first tell me what is the value of the blue triangle in the first equation. I will guide you through the question. Just write first the value of the triangle in the first equation. Fawaz Habib, are you with me or have you gone? Just came, drop your answer and leave the conversation. Yes, correct. You're right, Sudha, it's 3. Now find the value of green circle in the second equation. Childish girl says 42. Childish girl, first tell which country do you live in and what do you do? Are you a student or are you doing a job? Then I will tell you if your answer is correct or not. Anime Crystal, welcome back. I remember you. You have came here previously and you have come up with the correct answer. Sudha Narayanan says the value of circle is 4. That's correct, Sudha. Now come to the third equation and find the value of the orange square. Very carefully, take your time. I am here. Anime Crystal, which country do you live in and what do you do? Are you a student? Turkish series, your name looks like you are from Turkey and you have not written in Turkish. You write last वाला का 13 है. नहीं. Yes, Sudha. Yes, yes. You have got. Actually, there was a trick. There was a multiplication between the circle and the orange square. Then you need to add the triangle. The correct answer is 27, Sudha. You are right. Turkish series, brother. Where do you live? Tell me. Look, I try to be a conversational type of learning. It's not that you come here, you write the answer and then leave. I try to be a I try to engage you in a conversation so everybody here can learn something, including me. Turkish series says Pakistan. Welcome, brother. Welcome, welcome. How is Pakistan? And you seem to be a lover of Turkish dramas. Pakistanis love Turkish dramas very much. And Turkish series, what do you do, brother? Are you a student or doing something else or doing nothing? And then my crystal have gone. In which class do you study Turkish series? First year, I think you have just completed your metric and you are in the 11th class of something, maybe doing some ICOM or some pre-engineering, pre-medical group type, or you are learning computer sciences, I think. And I suppose you don't love mathematics much, as most of the Pakistanis don't love math. हाँ, ऐसा तो है। बहुत से लोगों को मैथ पसंद नहीं। मुझे भी नहीं था। इन क्लासेस में मुझे भी मैथ पसंद नहीं था। फिर मैंने जब सीए स्टार्ट किया, चार्टर्ड अकाउंटेंसी, तो तब भी पसंद नहीं था, लेकिन पास करना ज़रूरी था, तो मुझे इंटरेस्ट पैदा करना पड़ा। और अब मुझे कुछ मैथमेटिक्स में इंटरेस्ट है। But I am not that, math lover. You can't say that I am a math lover. Here comes another question, and I think it's also not that difficult. And we have, I'm sorry in advance if I can't pronounce your name, you are Marjana Dalhar. We have 40 people watching this transmission now, and Marjana said the answer is also 40. And I think you are right. If 5 plus 3, 8, 8 multiply 5, it's 40. Yes, you are correct. Man, where do you live if you can tell us? Dev comes up with 40. Yes, Dev, you are right. I think Marjana has left the. Here is coming up a brand new, fresh question for all the 42 people who are here to learn something. I think it's a very healthy number. Now 43 people are watching. We have 43 people who actually came here to learn something. They are not in search of some entertainment stuff, because we are not entertaining anyone in the last past 1 hour. So you all are here in search of something. So please read this question carefully and try to answer it. You can use pen and pencil. Just take your time. If you need any hint, you can ask for in the comment section. We all are here. The question says, can you place. Hello, can you listen me? The question says, can you place the digits 1 to 6 into the circles so that each side of the triangle adds to 9? I think the requirement of the question is simple, is understandable. If any of you 43 people watching now don't understand the question, you can ask in the chat box. The requirement is simple. You can use 6 digits, 6 numbers. That is to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And you need to place any of these 6 digits into the circles in front of you in such a manner that the total of the sides comes out to 9. That is the requirement. First you identify that there are 3 sides of this triangle. On the left side there are 3 circles. If you can see, on the right side there are 3 circles. If you can see, on the bottom of the triangle there are also 3 circles. So you have to make sure that the sum of the 3 circles of each sides comes to 9 by using only 6 digits from 1 to 6. I probably think it is not a difficult question, but you will require some time. So take your time, take 1 minute or 2 minutes. I am here at least 1.5 hours. So I think we should close this live transmission after solving this question. I mean, if you people can solve this now, then I will put up some more other questions. If we have to, we if you need some time, you can solve it. You take your time and try to write the answer. You have to come up with 3 answers for each side in the triangle. We have 59 people now watching this live streaming, and I assume that all of them are here to learn something or to teach something. So if you have something to say, if you want to teach us, you can also write here. This is very open live transmission. We are not bound to this question only. You all are welcome to participate. There you have written 6 digits. For which side? You need to mention the side, its left side, right side, and the bottom side. In this sequence, if you write the answer, then it will be easy for everyone to understand. Now you have written 6 digits. I can't understand which side does this belong. I find this question very interesting, and believe me, I am also solving this question along with you guys. So you can teach me the right answer. We have 77 people, 77 serious people who came here to learn something or who came here to teach us something new. If you want to say a new thing, you can write in the chat box. Top, middle, top, middle. No, Dave, look. You just everybody here who is trying to solve this question, I am assuming all the 106 people trying to solve this question, you you need to answer the left side, 3 circles on the left side, then 3 circles on the right side, and the 3 circles on the bottom. These are the dimensions. Now write the left side total. The total of each side should be 9, not more than 9 and not less than 9. It should be equal to 9. Dev, do you understand the requirement? You people try this question on the paper. And give me 2 or 3 minutes too. I also try to solve this on paper. Then I come back to you. And it's a challenge question for all of you people, for all of the 85 people watching this, including me. So 82 serious people here just to learn or to teach. Any educational content is welcome here. Anything related to any educational content is welcome here. Whether it is maths, whether it is statistics, accounting, software engineering, whatever. You can write here. You can tell us. If you have any such question which I am posting in my live transmission, you can also send me. I will also post it here and have a discussion on it. So I am going to solve this question on paper. Let give me 5 to 10 minutes. I come back to you. This is also a difficult question. I think there is some problem with the audio today. Look, I have an idea for you people. You try to solve this question after I close this live session on the paper. This question and the previous one of triangle. Take your time, then come tomorrow and you can type the answer there, or if you would like to, you can also write the answer in the comment section of this video. After this live session is closed, this live session is automatically converted to a recorded video, so you can write the answer there. These questions are not the simple one. These require some time and maybe some mathematical skills, so you take your time. These two questions I have placed here in this video. Now I am moving to some easier questions. No, Dev, I cannot figure out at this time because that requires some time. You write the answer in the comment section when this live session is closed. Then give me some time. I will check and then tell you whether your answer is correct or not. Apparently it does not seem the correct, but let me check in detail. And they've also tried this question which is on your screen right now. This will also take some time, and I am giving you people some easier question now for the remaining time of this live session. Maybe we have some 15 to 20 more minutes, so let's try some easier question. What about this question? Have I posted it already or have you answered it yet? It's a bit easier to me. Okay, Dev, you must go. It's past 1 in the night in India. Squid Game Guard says 4100. Squid Game Guard, I think you also previously came to my live session. Am I right, brother? Your answer is correct anyway. It's too late in Pakistan and India and neighboring countries. So you better go to sleep, Dave. You have to get up early in the morning. I am also closing this live session in within 20 minutes. 22 minutes. So let's go through some easier questions quickly. Three million? No, no, it's not 3 million. Yes, 4100 is the correct answer. Where you from? What is your name? Is Alske? Which country do you live in? Anybody knows the answer of this question? Alina Santosh says 6. No, Alina, it's not 6. Your answer is not correct. Marcy Gamer saying R. What do you mean by R? Straight man YT says 6. No, it's not 6 straight. Can you please tell your countries when you participate in this chat? India, Kerala. Okay, Alina, it's too late in India. I think 15 minutes past 1 in the night. Mercy Gamer has deleted our realize. I'm sorry, I can't pronounce your name, but you have written 66. Where you from? Please mention your countries when you come here. It's not that a teacher student classroom, it's a participative style of learning. I promote participation so you can tell some extra information. No one can trace you if you tell your name, your country, and whatever you do in your life. But it feels better to communicate, to have some information about the participants. No, I can't pronounce the name of this person who has written 66, so I can't say anything. So please kindly try to spell out your name if you can. Try to tell your country and what do you do in your life. No more information is required. No personal information we ask or share with each other. But it's just like a bit comfortable. We have 43 people watching this question, and everything everybody is trying to solve this question, but they are unable. So now let's move to another question. It seemed a bit difficult. Now let's try this question. This is the last one of this live telecast. We will be closing in 5 to 10 minutes.